Have you ever wondered why you end up buying things you don't need, feeling instant regret? Impulse purchases are a silent enemy of your finances and well-being. But don't worry. Today we'll give you the tools to transform your relationship with money and build a future full of possibilities. The first and most crucial step is self-awareness. Identify whether impulse buying is a pattern in your life and, most importantly, why it happens. These decisions are often linked to emotions or the pressure to follow trends. Recognize that buying out of boredom, stress, or to fit in gives you the power to change. It's an act of courage to face these emotional triggers head-on. This understanding is the foundation for any financial and personal improvement. Before you pull out your card, pause and question your motives. Do you really need this item? Or is it just a momentary desire? Consider whether you can afford it without compromising your finances. A simple question can prevent unnecessary spending. Give yourself permission to wait a few days to see if that desire persists. This practice fosters discipline and helps you differentiate between a whim and a true need. Planning is your best ally in the world of shopping. Before going to the store or browsing online, make a detailed list of what you really need. Then, commit to following it to the letter. Avoid wandering through unnecessary corridors or websites that only expose you to temptation. Keeping your goals and priorities clear will help you stay focused. A list is more than just paper. It's a statement of financial intent. Implement a waiting rule before making any non-essential purchases. Give yourself some time, such as 24 to 48 hours, to decide if the purchase is truly necessary. For higher value items, extend this period to a week. This period allows you to evaluate the purchase with a clearer, less emotional mind. Often, the initial desire fades, saving you from unnecessary spending. It's a simple but incredibly effective strategy. A budget isn't a straitjacket, but a map that guides you toward your goals. Keep a detailed record of your income and expenses to identify where your money is going. This allows you to make informed decisions. Include a category for treats or entertainment within your monthly budget. This allows you to enjoy yourself without affecting your financial stability. A well-structured budget gives you freedom, not restrictions. Emotions are powerful and often drive us to buy. Identify emotional triggers like stress, anxiety, or boredom that lead you to spend. Recognizing them is the first step to managing them. Instead of shopping, look for healthy alternatives to manage your emotions. Exercise, meditate, talk to a friend, or dedicate time to a hobby. Your emotional well-being is more valuable than any impulse purchase. In the digital age, temptation is just a click away. Close shopping apps and turn off notifications, especially when you're feeling vulnerable. Consider taking a break from social media. Use filters or ad blockers to reduce your exposure to targeted advertising. Less exposure means fewer opportunities to fall into the impulse buying trap. Protect your mind and your wallet from stimulus overload. Marketing is a science designed to influence your decisions. Be aware of how retailers appeal to your senses and use pricing and packaging strategies. Understanding these tactics empowers you. Recognize artificial scarcity, limited time offers, and psychological pricing. By unraveling these strategies, you can make more rational decisions. Don't be a victim. Be an informed and savvy consumer. Your values are the core of who you are and how you live. Prioritize your values and align your spending with them. Spend your money on things that truly bring you long-term happiness and that resonate with your principles. Do you value experiences over possessions? Sustainability over fast fashion? Reflecting on this helps you spend more consciously and meaningfully. Each purchase can be a reflection of what truly matters to you. Regularly reviewing your spending is a powerful tool. Track your transactions for a week or a month to identify how many of your purchases were impulse purchases. This will give you a clear picture of your habits. Use personal finance apps or a simple spreadsheet. Seeing the numbers in black and white can be revealing and motivating. This analysis allows you to adjust your behavior and strengthen your financial discipline. Every impulse purchase, no matter how small, has a cumulative impact. Keep in mind that these decisions can lead to debt, financial stagnation, and increased stress. Think about the real long-term cost. Imagine how that money could be used toward your goals. An emergency fund, an investment, a dream trip. Visualizing the impact helps you prioritize and make wiser decisions. Your financial future depends on your decisions today. You've learned powerful strategies to master your impulses and improve your financial well-being. Now's the time to put them into practice. Start today with a small change. We challenge you to create a budget for next month. Apply the 24-hour rule before making any non-essential purchases. Identify an emotional trigger and find a healthy alternative to shopping. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. Together, we can build a more conscious and financially empowered community. Your financial future awaits you.